guys, good afternoon. So now we're going to my friend, the Filipina, because she invite us to go there and visit her home because a lot of coconut there, like butong. And then now let's go. I'm so happy because Andre feel good but still so weak. It's okay, at least we can go there. I'm worried this morning because I think what if we can go there. And then they starting to prepare the another butong like that, and then now we just go to convenience and buy meal for butong. See you there. No kids want to go. I think they all feel tired. Only Andre and Jesse. I want also Ate Lisa want to go back. She told me she going to cook some Filipino food like pinakbit. I think it's your first time to cook pinakbit. And now we have all-purpose cream, 2 pieces, and then Eden. This Dorit and fruit cocktail.
Yeah.
Only this.
We'll cook like what, fruit cocktail? What?
No, you can direct cook.
Buka salad. We'll cook buka salad in the pan.
We make buko salad.
Yeah.
That's my friend Filipina.
Wow.
Wow, she knows to drive motor.
I think. Надо за ней ехать.
What you said? A lot of goat. Also bamboo. They're very cold. Very cold.
Very cold? Yeah. Very fresh air.
Yeah. Finally, we arrive.
Finally, we're here.
Ay, kabalo ka din, no? Wala biya ako nag-expecting nga ka nang mabalik niya po nila kaya nag-check ba yung yuta dati dra no. Kanti nga na ko familiar lagi ko ni ano dri ay. Familiar na ko ni ano kanang helmet. Yo kira na. Hi.
Finally, we're here. I don't know if
Ate
you like the pancit and the chicken that we cook. We're supposed to be cook a, what do you call this, a ginataang manok with turmeric.
So you love it.
But nagpa-trouble yung chan mo, so I changed my mind. So, ano na lang.
Very cold here.
Yeah, this is the Baliti tree.
This is called Baliti.
I think more than 100 years old.
This? Oh my god. Love, almost this is 100 years to tina?
Yeah,
More than 100 years, this.
people came here because of that.
Oh my
Oh my god,
Отсюда этому дереву
very
больше
big
100
and
лет.
tall tree.
Ничего себе. Вот
Вау.
это да.
Ah,
So big.
Ничего себе, вот это дерево.
I think. Pag-21.
Balik lang ka din.
November.
November ko po.
Pag uli niya, di mo ko niya tugtan og ano.
Diri
Mo balik ko din niya, wala siya. Asa pod ko mag ano.
What is the name of this?
Baliti.
Baliti.
It's Bisaya, Baliti.
More than 100 years old. Yeah, a lot of people came here because of this tree.
Very tall.
Maybe snakes live there.
Yeah, maybe.
I think so, a lot of snake.
Yeah.
And then what is this oh? Ah, water.
Because of the water, because the water here is clean.
Oh my god.
Sa Isidro Barrio, they don't have enough water to supply. So people can come here just to
Very cold. Here only here is the voice of the bird.
Di siya masagot na di ka stay.
Wow, very beautiful place. Why? Wait.
This year, most of the people here went to Barrio because it's peace.
Unsa bitay na alin to?
Today fiesta.
Pero unya na pa niligaw niya bra. Hindi di eh.
Wow, a lot of
No. It's in your here, but love, she's so love, enjoy.
roasters here. What?
I think it's in your here, she's so enjoy because a lot of animals here.
Yeah.
Especially goat. He love goat, love. Goat.
Ah, this is cacao. Cacao.
I don't know if it's
Смотри, все же какао растет.
because of
Да.
Первый раз видел кота. Ух ты. Ты вот берешь, вот они его сушат, да, вот на дороге?
Да, они сушат,
И вот кофе я пью с него, да?
получается, какао.
Ага.
Потом молят, перемалывают.
Прикольно.
А некоторые, перед тем, как сушить, они ее, объедают, эту штучку.
Белую?
Потом, да, объедают, семечку выплевывают, потом сушат, потом уже молят на какао.
Ага. Прикольно. Вообще прикольно. Very good.
Teddy is very, very kind. You know, we just know each other. I think 2 days lang, no? We meet 2 times. 2 times ba? I meet Ate Eileen 2 times and then, yeah, and then she invite me to visit her place. Especially to eat boko here. Ayan, mag-good vlogger na, love.
So I cook the calamansi. Come here. Sit down, relax, and enjoy.
Saging, and
Have
then
ugly house.
this is the seeds of calamansi.
Anytime you want.
Yeah.
This right here is purok makawon.
Saan ni siya, te?
Tinolang mo lang. Puro! Welcome to Purok Makawon. My daughter did that. Come here, sit down.
Very nice. This is the seeds of kamansi.
Yan, magpapalit sa kog ice. So
Then
you
this
just
the
sit down there.
sambutong.
Then we'll go get the avocado if they
You
have.
eat
Ayun,
this?
do.
А вот это что такое?
Sit down lang, sit down.
Круглый что-то.
Bulshoy.
What is it big?
Kaya unsa ganinang dako nga ano, may mga bunga.
Лист как у нас
That one is
яблоко.
miracle.
Miracle fruit?
Miracle. I can boil that and
Что за...
drink it.
Ой,
It's miracle.
sorry. Америка фрукт.
Miracle.
Because a lot of sickness, they can cure.
Yes.
That's it.
Америка фрукт. Ничего.
Like arbuz.
Miracle.
А, как арбуз.
Arbuz.
Арбуза.
Another arbuz.
Обалдеть. О! Бедное дерево, ему это, тяжело держать такие арбуза.
Bulshoy, arbuz.
С него можно сделать шлем мотоциклетный.
Also have ano here. Mom, I want to get this one.
Вот.
Snack.
Есть вареный банан.
Oh, dalhon, you can bring the kamansi. This is very
No,
good.
may ano this blanan.
Oh,
Что, бананы варят?
ito kay pamangka mo.
Первый раз слышу.
Ay, kanay pag-adto doon.
You eat like this?
Sige,
Just
dalhon
like
na
this?
ako.
Eat just like this?
Yeah, like
Ah,
that.
okay.
Wow. So you like a Filipino na.
Нет, это сырой мне больше нравится.
What are you guys? Brother?
In-law.
Brother-in-law.
Maybe you need some salt or
No need love.
Sorry, no.
Just eat like that.
Ну, положите, пожалуйста.
And then this one is open like this.
Mm.
And then ito. This one. Then
To remove the ano.
Remove the peel. And that's
Это
it.
что такое?
Не знаю.
It's like other, what do you call that? There are same with here. Yeah. Try.
Thank you.
Try. Okay, like this again. What is the taste? Pobre lang.
Похоже на нашу картошку.
It's like potato.
It's like a potato. Tastes like a potato.
Ну,
You're
понял.
right. Andre. Yeah.
Интересно.
Она Шенька.
No, try, just try.
No, my stomach still hurt.
Okay. You can
After sickness.
get the calamansi. While you're walking and try to get the calamansi, lemon. What's more?
Thank you.
Later na. Pagbalik niya. I'm waiting for that. Gusto ka mag-harvest? Okay.
And now we get some
Запах.
calamansi. You can, unlike that, the ano na po. You can like that. Hold. Hold tight and then get.
Как увидеть, там красиво.
What you doing, Andrusha? Babe, give it to me.
Oh my God.
It depends to you. No good.
Ну, good.
No good, only this. Oh. Hmm? More.
Okay. Enough?
Okay na. Bolshoy.
Карман каламанси.
Okay.
Kapay ka lang.
Gamay.
Gamay. So have this, but this so still gamay. Still small. I don't know. Maybe some, I think rice.
Wow, it's like soup.
The soup of the kuritsa.
Тинолонг манок.
Tinalang man.
Ты сюда выгружай каламанси.
Да.
Дона, профи.
Down, down.
Дон, ты профессионалка, да?
You profi.
Kailan ba sila mulakaw?
22 love na.
No? 22 when? In June?
This 22. Huh? This coming 22.
Next week?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Good thing that you're here. And then when you come back, just visit here also. Again.
Yeah.
Just let me know so we can prepare the banana and the coconut. Here.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Alam mo yung salaan dito eh?
Ha? Salaan? Ito na lang no. Ugas itong salaan ng world. You can bring all of that. Buwak kasi ang uban. Hi!
Very delicious coconut.
Kuha na
Lemmy
salaan
kayo.
ba? Hugasa. Hugasi. Nagkano nagkalapok-lapok. Nihilaw. Kailang ang ginamos. Bisag asan ako.
Wala, hindi maginawas dali.
Ginamos. Naamo to ginamos. Nagkumpiyansa lang ko. Pag tanaw na ako kay gihurot tayo nila. Ganahan mo na siya. Kusog siya mukhaon.
Wala mo dito ginamos.
Yan eh. Dala ang
Dami
talaka.
mo kung ginamos mo ano saging saging.
Gani.
Hilaw.
Yes.
Pero mo
Okay na
bagoong. Hari daw to eh.
Di kan. Ato saan sa laon na. I-mix na. Then. At saka luwag do. Beds. Open na to. This one too. Nya, tawag na ko sa inyo nya. Hugasan mo na. Nagtagtak eh. Oo, ang sayo. Kailangan no. This one. Uy. Asa dito yung isa? Ito lang isa. Hugasan mo?
No, не то, like just
No.
here and here.
Ano na? So okay.
Sa kita ra day mukha na ko manok. Ilalang. Then cheese.
Abi daw ni mo June pa sa mo ulit eh.
I thought you guys going back on June.
June daw lang.
Open here. Oh, there's some water.
Still water.
Only little. Dapat gitanggalan sa daan nato siya. Gitanggalan.
Ay di okay ra te. Bilang sa magkaon nga napay bukong inga na.
Okay. Kaya sa gikuskos. Okay. And here, the first
Yes,
one.
thank you.
Purple because it can put in the
Get this.
Dapat di ay katong native di itong akong ikuan kanina. Then you can bring this all for your family. Because that's good. Sometimes people here in Philippines, they just eat for their dinner. They're enough. They don't eat rice anymore.
Dagoy mga
Replacement of the rice.
gakan sila ni compare sa bugas.
Because it's healthy than the rice. Kamansi. Sometimes banana only. You want me to open more? How many buku you want to bring?
How many you have?
Pila lang anak dre.
No, only this. No need
That
to climb.
enough?
Yeah, good, thank you. No need more.
I do not. He's in the barrio. Di na may giduwagan ako. I think that's not enough because you're going to eat tomorrow. But nobody can climb because he's already in the barrio.
It's okay. Thank you so much.
Balik lang
Ну
mo
как ты
din eh.
срешь?
Вообще
Салатик.
шикарно. Вообще
What's
супер
more?
просто.
You
Я
can
сейчас
bring
все
this.
добавки попрошу.
Bread!
Very tasty.
Tasty? Yummy?
Very tasty.
Lami?
Lami kaya.
Lami kayo. Yeah, because you bring gatas, that's why it's lami. Salamat Don. Welcome. Lami.
What's the first name?
Leonardo, спасибо. Thank you very much.
Eating the coconut, so I did not notice that we have this one. Ikaw Jude, no?
I want to open this but undesod mo later.
You forgot your cook this.
Sorry, Andrew.
Pansit canton.
No, there's no carrots because I was...
Pansit no canton.
Pansit only.
Pansit bigatino.
Diyan native na manok.
Also native. Tinolak panak.
This is very tasty.
It's natural.
Nagluto man ko ani sa konti dito sa ilang balay good.
Она забыла.
Picture ni mo, murag nakita ko sa vlog mo.
Ay gatanaw ka?
Ako na kung atiwas. Sobrang busy na ako. Ate, ito hugasan sa... BJ! Bed!
Bisa jud tani okay.
BJ! Pangay yung tubig na. Pa, tubig. Ayun ang pansin na. Dum.
Magawa ko sa baso.
Ignore.
Every night I will read the comment,
BJ!
especially the basher.
Wala kayong sili. Nakalimut ang sili, no? I forgot the sili.
Ayo kira tigba siya ligo lang ako raman ang
Gamay.
gamay.
Chicken.
Gamay.
Native chicken.
More.
More.
This.
Dali, nak!
Kina?
Nagay ko kuan butanganan ninyong sudan ba, stainless, so makakaon na mo. Napay kanon?
More water.
Gulay.
What is bouillon chicken lab?
Bouillon. Like
Bouillon?
broth.
Soup?
Soup.
Ah,
Yeah,
bouillon.
okay.
So it's okay. Okay na lang.
So can I close this first because nalangaw? You can bring
Smells
this,
very good.
everything that you see here.
Mm.
Bring it. Your
Thank you.
because nobody will eat this. Maybe I'll just cook it too.
Very tasty.
That tasty lagi roti.
It's natural. Wala gay kluy akaayo.
Pero na
Mayra. Dali-dali ang carrots wala na butang. Karong suan ka kanang sabaw. Ano sinang imo? Tagay kong tubig, limpyo sa tong galon. Kaya ipagmugas. Mali, hula. More? Gusto ka? I want some more.
We will make a picture all together.
Ah, okay.
Later when
Later.
we all together.
With BJ. Sige, hanapan ta doon. I hope you can stay more. Oh, here. You can bring all
Mauban anak, tagay
this.
pa te.
Ha?
Mauban anak ba, tagay pa daghan na kay na.
Duha raman akong anak pag iyo mahal kasi niya na. Katong ang papa ato mo nagsaka og butong sabi ko ugma lang ha. If he's here, we can get some more. Hamad pud siya, di mo katulad sa akong husband na. Abundant to. Pag naa mo dire, nay, hatag pila ka book inyong gusto basta kaya niyong dalhon. Tuto unya pa mo gabi ug mo uli. Maybe, ala, maulanay na pud doon.
O may manggang ilaw diri te.
Wala pa na mo nga, nay, mangga, dito, wrong timing ka. Sige lang, kay pag, kanang giagyan ninyo, lamig man na kaayo. Balba ang lamig kaayo siya na klase na mangga. Okay.
So, Norris.
Okay. Picture po ta.
Yeah, let's make a picture together.
Yes, and then, so, my husband see your face also. I told him that we have a visitor. No, because you can bring that one.
No, di lang gamay ra man pud ang kuan dito. Sari mo kuan pud dito.
Pag mga kuan ana, kaon na sila eh. Dalhan na, you can bring that. We have small. May picture taon niya.
At or do you want to
Regional tail. Depends of the cut.
yeah,
Solo na ka sa kwarto.
depend on the jeans.
Yung jeans.
Yeah, because in my place the tail of the cat
Ayaw
is
mo
very,
alis
very
diri hanggang na yan sa
cold.
inyo.
And sometimes if night I saw the stand.
John, avocado. Oh, sige. Let's take a picture first.
Let's go sa yung screenshot.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Ito French.
Kini na po doon niya. Sila na our camera also. Ali doon, tapat ta.
Okay, we are going to climb avocados
Yeah, we need to get there and then some chili.
and chili.
Ito na sa native na sulit.
Sige.
Надо взять с собой в Россию.
Мгм. Oh, a lot of avocados.
So, may sometimes. Kami uban.
Maybe it's not right.
Sabi ko, bag, dili akong bag. I'll show my picture.
Maybe it's not yet right. Not yet.
Yeah, because when I 14 years ago, it's different now.
Ну, это она.
Now
Guapa.
now I'm ugly. 14 years ago, because when I work there in organic restaurant, we eat only vegetable.
In Davao?
No, in Manila.
In Manila?
Yeah,
Mm.
live there for a long time. My skin is very puti
Makaputi
white
man na diya.
because of the water.
Namanggoy ano daw.
Chlorine.
Авокадо еще маленькие, не собирать.
But here in Samal, look at
Always sun.
Morena.
actually, it's not the harvest month is July, so another 1 month. You have to wait another 1 month.
Yeah. I think it's still
Yeah,
gamay.
we have to wait another 1 month.
Yeah.
Then,
But you can get a little.
yeah, we can get.
Only gamma and then bring home.
Which one
Then
you
we
like? Sometimes there are bigger. Let me get some bigger. I think this one.
Try na kita.
Oo. Linggo kita vlog. Ay, picture ka muna, picturean. Andrew siya! Careful! Kaya nga ba ang bag? Iko bag, nasa gilid, katong blue. Bag
Just
ba, bag?
bring 5. Need 3.
I saw, you see like this, but it's very, very far. Maybe
Okay, it's like
you too gamay for this.
too gamay.
Wait. No.
Maybe Andre can go.
Ano ko'y kusog ba? Nabusog ko sa imong tinola.
Ako nagkaon sa tinapay.
Love, katong brown. Katong brown. Oh, you also gamay. Oh, that.
Yeah, it's almost right.
More.
Be careful, careful, because you might slide there.
Iti.
Ah, yes. Let's
Heart?
go get her in here.
Maligitan. Oh, pwede ako.
Kani? Oo. Wait lang. Okay. There.
Wow.
You wanna get some more? Wait. That one.
One?
Yes.
Wow. You're a
Ayaw lagi ha. Guwang naman ni. This
I
one.
think it's okay, it's enough.
Kasi guwang na na.
Oh, isulod ka dong.
Down. Put it inside.
Yatag saya ka to nakaway to. Dona Ustala. Dona one spit.
My friend.
We are done to get the
I don't wanna show my face.
so tired.
I have to get my bag.
Uy, gipak naglamok. Dihan di glamok dari ay. So, let's go home. Hi, love.
Hello.
Kapoy.
Kapoy na ko.
Kapoy na ko.
Dili, matulog ba daw mo dali? No, dili. They have their own
Love, love. This guy said if we sleep here tonight.
Next time.
Next time we fix up.
Тоже чемодан вон написали.
Next time na.
Kapay next time.
Yes. And then gonna close another one.
Hello guys, and then now we're going back home. So tired. And then I bring some soap. I wanna see the fish. Kita nakagailaw. Wala karon.
I have a helmet. Bala ka diya.
So tired.
Only your face, not me.
We also bring some butong. This. 4 pieces of butong.
Thank you so much, Irene.
Welcome. Anytime. You can come back anytime.
Yeah. Next time we come back in November, we'll invite you to our Russian village. We'll cook something together.
Yeah, well, cook squash soup and other dishes.
Wow.
You like for you guys. I'm excited to
Yeah.
cook to all your family.
Thank you so much.
Welcome anytime. Say hi there, guys. Guys, hola.
Salamat kay Piang.
Welcome.
Salamat kayo.
Sleep ka sunod. Sleep mo there.
Here. Sleep on here daw.
We bring tent.
Yeah. Tent on November. Okay. Maybe we will pick the house. Our house.
Lansones ni siya tiyo.
That's a Lansones tree.
Love this dati of Lansones.
Bako na po doon. Smells bad. Ay, smells bad. Pero kasi mas arang-arang ang dianan. Pero kung dapat mo, delikado. So, i-drop mo lang sila sa
Thank
kuan.
you.
Yeah. Thank you. I hope you enjoy the food.
Я говорю, надеюсь, тебе понравилась еда.
Not enough. I did not. I forgot to. I forgot to cook a puto. It's a Filipino dessert.
Yeah, rice.
And then put the
Rice
squash.
Ah,
Because
wow.
I know you like it.
Next time.
Next time I'll do that. And also the moringa.
Yeah. So, thank you, Irene. So,
Bye. Take
bye-bye.
care.
Bye-bye.
Can you take me a picture with Aileen?